Welcome, fellow travelers, to a city where the past and present dance in harmony under the watchful eye of the Pearl River. This is Guangzhou, a 4K cinematic journey. Guangzhou, also known as Canton, is a metropolis that paints a picture of contrast. One moment, you are in the embrace of ancient architecture, and the next, you are gazing up at the future etched into the city's skyline. Here, in the lively heart of the city, tradition thrives. Feel the pulse of age-old markets brimming with the sense of authentic Cantonese cuisine and the vibrant chatter of locals bargaining for the freshest ingredients. The craftsmanship here is a testament to generations of skill passed down through time, a dedication to artisanship that transcends the relentless march of modernity. When night falls, Guangzhou transforms into an illuminated wonderland. The Canton Tower, spiraling towards the heavens, offers a kaleidoscope of colors that reflect off the waters below. Cruise along the Pearl River and witness the storybook of lights that write Guangzhou's narrative, each twinkle revealing a city that's both an economic powerhouse and a cultural treasure trove. Retreat from the urban symphony to the tranquil slopes of Bayun Mountain. As the white clouds whisper amid the pines, gain perspective on the vast and enduring spirit of Guangzhou. From the ancient city walls to the innovative Guangzhou Opera House, every stone and steel beam resonate with stories waiting to be discovered. This is Guangzhou, resilient, opulent, and eternally welcoming. Join us. Unravel the mysteries and experience the dynamism of this incredible city, a haven of heritage in high definition. This is Guangzhou as you've never seen it before.
Share your thoughts in the comments below. Tell us about the most beautiful place you visited and what made it unforgettable. If you're thirsty for more travel inspiration or simply want a feast for your eyes, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Don't miss the opportunity to be part of our growing community of explorers.